Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Adidas Superstars white and black. Not white and black, white and blue guys. This is a size 5 by the way. It's not for me, it's a present by the way. Because I thought why not, I'm a nice guy. So yeah. It comes in the original box, which is the blue one with the white stripes. 3 white stripes there. With the Adidas logo there and says originals. This side's got a brand with 3 stripes. Die Weltmacht, that's German, and then that's French. Same thing basically, says it. The 3 stripes there carried on there. Okay, and this one's a size 5 UK Superstar J. I don't know what that is. This is for kids one. This is the boys version. They don't do this colorway in a female's version. Like you can't get a female version of white and blue. It's basically a white shoe with blue stripes. You can't get a female version of that. So you can only get a male version of that, and they do the men's size and the boy size. Men's size is usually never in stock. This is the boy size, and yeah. So here you go. We've got the blue, white, originals, made in Indonesia. Bottom's got the sizing on and stuff. Let's go ahead and open this. I'm not going to be obviously able to try this out on myself because I have big feet. I'm size 10, this is size 5. That's obviously not going to fit me, is it? So yeah, let's go ahead and open this. Alright guys, show you that. Got the measurement of the box or something, I don't know. And yeah, got the regular packaging of the Adidas, which is a white tissue paper Adidas logo in like a neon color. Let's go open this. Wow, look at them shoes guys, pretty nice aren't they? Let's take off the side. Fucking hell guys, look at them. They're actually pretty nice guys, I'm not gonna lie. If only the men's size were in stock. Oh, so we've got leather here. This part is leather, as you can see. Leather here, all the way here. And then this part turns into rubber, which is very, it's something different, you know. You don't see that very often. But yeah, I'm gonna zoom out a bit so you can see the whole shoe, if you can. Right, the texture on this shoe is mad guys. I've never seen a shoe like this. The normal Superstars aren't like this, so I don't know. It's pretty cool, you know, I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so we got Adidas Le Marque Ox 3 bands. Got these signs here. Whoa, they put a lot of attention to detail, you guys. I'll go through all the detail in a second. Let me just zoom out a bit so you can see much better. Or I'll just move this out of the way. There you go, you can see much better now. If you can, there you go, yeah. Alright guys, so we'll start off at the front of the shoe. Front of the shoe, you got like a basketball thing here going on here. As you can see, it's like a basketball. You know how they have the lines and stuff? It's a bit like that, and you got the texture as well, like the basketball. It's made out of rubber. It feels very good, durable, quite strong as well. Got 3 lines for the Adidas sort of sign here, as you can see. 3 lines there. Got a nice stitching all the way along the shoe here. Goes all the way around. It's like a design as well, pretty much. So I like that. You've got the sole here, which looks pretty good. It's like a, if you zoom right into it, you'll see it's got a nice texture to it. If my camera will allow me to focus that much. There you go. Can you see the texture? Look at the texture guys. This is X's as well. I didn't even realize. Pretty cool that, isn't it? Look at the texture on this. It's like a zebra skin. It's very nice. You can even see the glue here. A bit of the glue. But yeah. So yeah, you've got white laces on here. Oh, we lost focus. Got white laces on here. White and blue design everywhere, as you can see. Adidas Le Marque. This is very soft. I like this. I like this quite a bit. And then the inside, wow, look at that. They put a lot of detail there, as you can see. White stitching. Very small stitching. White stitching. Then the insoles are white with blue writing. OrthoLite, which good for sweating, stop sweating and stuff like that. I think that's part of this, or is this another spare? No, it's part of that. But yeah, look at the inside. It does feel comfy. Oh, actually, this side doesn't feel comfy. This is comfy, but this isn't as comfy. I think that continues all the way inside the shoe. Let me take this out. Yeah, it does. So I'm not sure about the comfort. I don't think it will be as comfy as it seems. But yeah, let me put that back in. Okay guys, let's have a look at the side of the shoe. Side of the shoe, you got this leather cutout here, which is pretty cool. It's not needed, but it does look pretty cool. You got the 3 stripes here in blue, and it's like a jagged edge. Wow, that feels good as well. You can feel the texture. Got some holes in there for no reason, to be honest. Like it's not gonna add to the cooling or anything at all, to be honest. It's just the design feature. And then you got like this cool zebra skin thing going on. I really like that. You can feel that as well. That's going on the whole shoe and everything. Everything just fits in perfectly. It's a really good design, this shoe. So yeah, got a nice stitch in there, along there. Let's have a look at the back. Adidas sign. This is a showstopper, guys. Adidas shine. Blue thing here. This is all leather. Like this is more leathery than this. Like this is, because of the texture, you can't feel the leather properly. But this is pure leather. You can feel that. So you got the white Adidas logo. That's engraved in as well. Look how engraved that is. You can't really tell because of my camera. Look. But when you feel that, it feels amazing. And this one, like this one goes in, this one comes out. This is like coming out. That's what I really like about the shoe. It goes into a lot of depth. So yeah, and then you have the Superstar. No Superstar sign there because one side's gonna have it. So this side has the Superstar logo on. You feel that as well. That's coming out a bit. It's a dark blue, so it really goes well. They're really doing well on the design department of this. And then look at the shoe. Shoe's not got much grip, to be honest. That's not grippy, guys, because it's all one level. If it's one level, it's not grip, by the way, guys. That's just, it's got a bit of grip from these grooves, but it's not grippy. If you were in if you were in ice, you would slip straight away. But yeah, you could play sports in this, I guess, or just casual wear. It's very nice for that. Yeah, I really do like this shoe though. Look at the texture and everything. They've gone into a lot of detail with this. Let me get the pair of shoe out so you can see that as well. Look at that. Damn. Alright guys, I'm going to go make a thumbnail now. Are you ready, guys? I will show you how I make a thumbnail. Normally I have these lights on, but today I've not have them on. So yeah, let's just do this anyway without it. Let me put this down a bit so you don't see the chair a bit. I don't know. Yeah, so this is the thumbnail. Ready, guys? Bam. Something like that can be the thumbnail. That's the thumbnail, guys. Let me move it a bit closer. No? What do you think, guys? That's the new thumbnail, guys. That's going to be the thumbnail probably. And I'll have some writing in the left hand corner saying Adidas Superstar white and blue or something. I don't know. But yeah, I really like this shoe. It's very nice. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you'd like me to review a shoe, please tell me. Send me a link as well, because there are different versions of certain shoes. Like someone requested me to do an NMD R1 PK shoe review or something, I don't know. But there's a few versions of it, so I don't know which one you meant. Like, if you want me to review a shoe, make sure you send me a link so I know which version of that shoe it is, and I'll get it and try and review for you. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.